In this video, I will show you how to hire on Upwork. Start by clearly defining your project requirements, including the scope of work, deliverables, budget, and timeline. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to find the right freelancer. Log into your Upwork account and create a job posting for your project. Click on I am client hiring for the project. After that, you will be asked to create an account as a client. Add your complete name, work email address, password, and other details. Then add complete details about your company. You can post a job using AI or you can continue by yourself. After that, provide detailed information about the project, including the skills required, project description, and any specific requirements or qualifications you are looking for in a freelancer. Also, tell them your budget for that job. Lastly, review the job for any changes. Once your job posting is live, freelancers will submit proposals to bid on your project. Take the time to review each proposal carefully, considering factors such as the freelancer's experience, skills, portfolio, and rate. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.